right, it's getting down to crunch time. We have 3 days before Christmas, so today is all about Christmas prep. We're gonna go into Sam's. I gotta go to Walmart. I've gotta clean out my fridge. I'm gonna make a party mix and who knows what else. So make sure that you stay all the way because it's gonna give you lots of Christmas prep motivation.
Milk chocolate churro almonds. Yes, please.
The first thing I have to do is get this refrigerator clean. So I am gonna empty it out. I'm gonna go through everything, see what needs to be thrown out, and then clean the inside of it. And then I will be able to see what I need from the grocery store. I also want to mention that today is also part of a holiday prep collaboration, and it's hosted by Bree at Bree's Beautiful Life, as well as Becca at Rebecca Peaky. So I will list their channel link in the description box below, as well as a playlist of all of the folks that are taking part in this collaboration. So after you finish my video, make sure you go to the playlist and go to Bree and Becca's channel. But for now, I am just gonna let you listen to some Christmas music while I clean out my fridge. And if you need to clean yours out, go ahead and get started on yours too. But I did need to show you this hack to make your milk jugs take up less space. You just run hot water in them, and after you pour the hot water out, just roll it up and throw it away. Now, before I put everything back in, I'm just gonna clean the drawers and the shelves of my fridge. Ready for Christmas, or do you still have some shopping, cleaning, or cooking to do? Let me know in the comments below. This is everything I got from Walmart, and some of this stuff is per my son's request that's home for Christmas. So of course I had to get some of his favorite things, but I'm gonna make a party mix later, so I had to get all the things that go along with the party mix. I got my Dr. Teal's Epsom salts and bubble bath, as well as these remote control outlets, which I will link in the description box below. But anyway, this is just a bunch of the stuff that we needed for a couple of recipes that I'm going to be cooking, and I'm sure I'll need to go to the grocery store again before Christmas, but for now this will hold me. Alright, now as for the party mix, these are the ingredients that I use. I use the 3 Chex cereals, pretzels, Cheez-Its, and peanuts, but you can use whatever ingredients you want. So I put everything into the pan, and all of these ingredients actually uses 2 pans. So I'm just kind of using half of everything right now. But this is 1 cup of oil. I use avocado oil, but you can use whatever. Actually, it's probably more like 3/4 of a cup, but you can use whatever oil you want. And then 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. And then once you get the Worcestershire sauce in there, you're gonna use a fork to stir it real good. And it takes a little minute to get it all mixed, and you pretty much have to pour it as soon as you mix the Worcestershire sauce in there. Otherwise, it will separate again. So once it's mixed real well, just pour it over the pan of ingredients, and then you are gonna just stir it real good. Well, before you stir it, you need to add seasonings, which I use the seasoned salt and garlic salt. And you are gonna kind of do this to your taste. So I just put, a good bit of both to start off, and then I stir it up real good. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna kind of cook this throughout, like over maybe like an hour. But every 15 to 20 minutes or so, you're gonna take it out of the oven. You're gonna add more seasoning. You're gonna stir it up again, and then you just cook it until you kind of get the seasoning like you want it. But here I am. I had taken it out of the oven, adding a little more seasoning, gonna stir it back up, put it back in the oven. So I think it probably takes about an hour per pan, but it is totally worth it, and this goes a long way. So this is great to give to coworkers or neighbors, or just, take a big container full to work, and everybody can just kind of dig in. But anyway, this is how I make my party mix. And now I'm on to wrapping presents, and just so I don't talk your ears off, I'm just gonna let this play, and you can listen to some Christmas music. And if you need to wrap presents, then now's a good time. So why don't you join me? just want to thank Bree and Rebecca for hosting this collaboration. It was a really good one to motivate me to get the things done that I needed to get done. So thank you to them. Don't forget to check out their channel. Don't forget to watch the playlist because there's a ton more cleaning and prepping motivation for you. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for coming by. I really do appreciate it, and I would love it if you would consider subscribing to my channel. Make sure to leave a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up, and you guys have a wonderful Christmas. I'll see you next time. Bye.